this goes to the back thing, which Damien will do. This goes to the back thing, which Damien will do.
Running. Take this. And I'm gonna drag it over here. Fill up the water.
Everyone's hair is so unique, and we all have different hair goals. That's a big reason why I started using Function about 4 months ago, and I've been hooked ever since. All you have to do is take their quick hair survey to let them know your hair's profile, hair goals, and even preferences for color and fragrance. My hair is fine, oily, and tends to need a little extra protection, so I chose Lengthen, Oil Control, Replenish, Shine, and Thermal Protection. I chose their new mango scent and chose the medium strength so I can smell it in my hair for at least 2 to 3 days post-wash. They even have add-ons like lotion and my favorite hair serum ever. If you're gonna add anything onto your order, make sure you include this. My hair has never felt stronger, longer, or cleaner. Their products contain no parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or toxins, and they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Function is now offering you guys a full 20% off your first order. Just click the link down in the bio of this video. All right, so I've got my sunblock on, my shades on, my necklace is turned back. I'm about to go for a run. It's absolutely beautiful out here, which makes me so happy. It's beautiful at home too, but it's really pretty here. I need to put some chapstick on and some lip protection. Always protect your skin, your lips, your chest while you're running. I don't know, that's my advice. But yeah, I'll see you when I get back.